Keto coconut flour bread recipe, a perfect low-carb alternative. In the world of health-conscious baking, finding the right balance between taste and nutritional value is often a challenge. The ketogenic diet, known for its low carbohydrate and high-fat regime, often leaves bread lovers longing. The basics of keto baking. Traditional bread relies heavily on wheat flour, which is high in carbohydrates. This is a big no-no in keto, where the focus is on reducing carb intake to achieve a state of ketosis, where the body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Therefore, alternative flours like almond and coconut flour are staples in keto baking. Coconut flour, derived from dried and ground coconut meat, is an excellent choice for keto baking. It's not only low in carbs but also high in fiber and protein, offering additional health benefits. Ingredients: ½ cup coconut flour, ½ cup of butter, melted 6 large eggs, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Optional, 1 tablespoon of a keto-friendly sweetener, like erythritol, or herbs for flavor. Instructions: 1. Preheat oven and prepare pan. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a loaf pan or line it with parchment paper for easy removal of the bread. 2. Combine dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the coconut flour, baking powder, and salt. If you're adding a sweetener or herbs, mix them in with the dry ingredients. 3. Mix wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs. Then, add the melted butter and mix until well combined. 4. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients, stirring continuously. The coconut flour will begin to absorb the liquid, so ensure everything is thoroughly combined to avoid any lumps. 5. Pour batter into pan. Transfer the batter into the prepared loaf pan and smooth the top with a spatula. 6. Bake the bread. Bake in the preheated oven for about 40 to 45 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 7. Cool before slicing. Remove the bread from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then, transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely before slicing. Tips and tricks. Egg size matters. Large eggs are recommended for the right consistency. Avoid overmixing. Overmixing can make the bread dense. Mix just until the ingredients are combined. Customize with flavors. Feel free to add herbs like rosemary or thyme for a savory twist, or a bit of keto-friendly sweetener for a slightly sweet version. Serving and storage. Serve this keto coconut flour bread as you would any other bread, toasted with butter, as a sandwich, or even as French toast for a keto-friendly breakfast treat. To store, wrap the bread in a clean cloth or parchment paper and keep it in an airtight container. In conclusion, this keto coconut flour bread recipe is a fantastic solution for anyone following a ketogenic diet or anyone looking for a healthier bread alternative. Not only is it low in carbs, but it's also packed with fiber and protein, making it both nutritious and satisfying.